Hey everybody, it's Neil and it's a chilly day today. So I've got here these are like some sock things, I guess, that are supposed to keep my feet warm. Let's check them out. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about here. So the dog is very interested. But okay, so the way it is, you see, it's a sock with a rubber bottom on it. So you could kind of get away with wearing it outside or whatever. But let's try it on my foot and see how it feels. Oh, look at that. Feels nice. We'll see if it keeps me warm. And let's see, check it out. There we go. So this is what it looks like on me. And you see, it's kind of soft, but it's got a little rubber bottom. So we'll see if it keeps me warm and stuff. I mean, so far it seems good. It's kind of thick. Here, I'll show you guys. I'll take it off for a second. So it's got a nice cuff on it that's a little bit thicker than the rest. Stop it, doggy. And then you got the whole footbed here. It says made in China, but it's ridiculously flexible. You see, it's kind of flexible like a sock, but it does have some thickness to it. So you could get away with wearing this outside, but I'm gonna keep this sucker on all day. See how it goes. That's what it looks like on the bottom. So it'll still leave breadcrumbs, a little bit of plastic on there, I guess. But seems good. I think I got a size medium and I wear a size like 8.5. So it seems good. I figured I would get a smaller one rather than a bigger one because I didn't want it to be, you know, so big on the end here. I could probably even put my shoes on with this. So totally cool. I like these. So thumbs up.